In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Discord server on phone. Whether you're using Android or iOS, the process is almost identical. Before we begin, a quick heads up, you must be the server owner to delete a server, and this action is permanent. Once deleted, all channels, messages, roles, and invites are gone for everyone. If you might want the server later, consider transferring ownership or saving important info first. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. It helps to check you're signed into the account that owns the server. Next, navigate to the server you want to remove. From the left sidebar of server icons, tap the one for that server to enter it. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place by checking the server's name at the top. At the top of the server, tap the three dots next to the server name. This small menu icon is your gateway to server controls. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the channel list to the top so the header appears. From the menu that opens, choose Settings or Server Settings. On iPhone and Android, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the server's configuration screen. Scroll all the way down in the settings until you find Delete Server. It's typically in red to highlight that it's a destructive action. Tap it once. Discord will ask you to confirm. Type the server's exact name as it appears to verify that you intend to proceed. This safeguard helps prevent accidental deletions. Double-check spelling and spacing so the confirmation is accepted. Finally, tap Delete to permanently remove the server. The app will close the server and it will disappear from your server list. Members will immediately lose access and the server cannot be restored. Keep in mind, deleting a server is different from leaving one. Leaving only removes your account from a server that continues to exist for others. Deletion erases the entire space for every member. Also, if you run a community with many channels, consider saving any important files or notes before you start. Screenshots or exporting key info can save headaches later. On some accounts, you might see extra security prompts. Just follow them and continue with the final delete. That's the complete process on both Android and iOS. If you don't see the delete server option, it usually means you're not the owner or your app needs an update. Make sure you're on the correct account and update the app from your app store. If you changed your mind mid-process, simply back out before confirming. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.